Hi guys, welcome to Closers Mathematics class. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like and share this video. Alright, in today's class, I want to show you how to get the direction cosine of vector, and I'll be showing the proof on some examples in this video. Alright, so if I have a vector r equals to xi plus yj plus zk, what will be the direction cosine? We are going to have different angles. So let's say we have cos alpha. Now my cos alpha will be the first vector over the magnitude of the whole vector. Then my cos beta will be my y over the magnitude of the vector. Then my cos, let's say gamma will be z over magnitude of the vector. Alright, so from here, if you cross multiply, you are going to have x equals to magnitude of r multiplied by what? Cos alpha. If you cross multiply here also, you are going to have y equals to what? Magnitude of r multiplied by what? Cos beta. And if you cross multiply in this third place, you have what? Y equals z equals to what? Magnitude of r multiplied by what? Cos gamma. Alright. Now, if I'm substituting y, x, y, and z into this my equation, so let's call this one equation 1. Alright. If I substitute x, y, and z into equation 1, what will I have? I will have r equals to what? My x is now what? R magnitude of r multiplied by what? Cos alpha plus magnitude of r cos beta plus magnitude of r cos gamma. Alright, now from this we know if you are to get your magnitude in this place, the formula for your magnitude is always r equals to what? The square root of what? X squared plus y squared plus z squared. Also here I can say my r squared is equals to what? X squared plus y squared plus z squared. Alright, I can also say this in this term. So after this, if I impute this, if I impute all this thing into that means I'm going to have r squared equals to magnitude square of what? Cos square alpha plus magnitude square cos square beta plus magnitude all square cos square gamma. Alright, this is what I am going to have. Now we can do something. We can denote these ones with certain things. So if we divide through by r, I get what I'm saying. If we divide through by r squared, we are going to have 1 equals to cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma. I divide through by r squared, by magnitude of r squared rather. I divide through by magnitude of r squared. You know that this is magnitude of r in this place. Magnitude of r. So if I square both sides, I will have something like this. Magnitude of r squared. So if you divide through by magnitude of r squared in this place, you are going to be left with what we have here. So I can say let L be equals to cos square alpha and M to be equals to cos square beta and N should be equals to cos square gamma. That means I'm going to have 1 equals to L squared plus M squared plus L plus N squared. Alright, so this I can have something like this. Alright, that means automatically I can say my L is equals to x over magnitude of r, just like I have here. Alright, just like I have here. You know, this is my cos alpha before, so I can say this. So this one it will be cos alpha cos alpha cos alpha. Alright, yes, so this is going to be the way it is. So we are saying let L be this. So if L is this, that means the square of this will give us this, the square of this will give us this, and the square of this will give us this. Alright, so that means I can say, you know, I have here that cos alpha equals to x over r. That means I can say my L is now what? Cos alpha. I can say L equals to what? X over r. And I can also say M equals to what? y over what magnitude of r, and I can also see n equals to what z over what magnitude of what z. Alright, so these are the formulas we are going to be using when we are looking for direction cosine. Alright, so these are the things we are going to be using when we are finding direction cosine. So let's see some examples under these questions. Let's see this example. So the first one says find the direction cosine of the following, where I have r equals to 3i plus 2j plus 6k. So using my formula, so the first thing I need to get is the magnitude of this r. And how will I get the magnitude? Very simple. So that will be r equals to the square root of what? X squared plus y squared plus z squared. Alright, so my r will now be equal to square root of what? What is the x squared? That's 3 squared plus what is the y? That's minus 2 squared. Alright, plus what is the z? That's 6 squared. Alright, then this will now be what? 9 plus 4 plus 36. Alright, 36 plus 4 is 40. 40 plus this is 49. And the square root of 49 is what? 7. Alright, so my x will now be what? X, what is the x? 3 over magnitude of r. What's our magnitude of r that we got? This is magnitude of r, don't forget. So what's our r that we got? So that's 7, comma. Your m will be what? Minus 2 over what? Over 7. Then your z will be what? 6. I mean your n rather. Your n is 6 over what? Over 7. Now I've been able to get my direction cosine. These are the direction cosine. Now the other question says prove that the square of their what? Of their sum is unit. That is, we want to show that if we square them and add it up, I will get 1. Don't forget that while I was solving them, I wrote something like 1 equals to L squared plus M squared plus N squared. Alright, so they ask you to prove using these criteria that I have, using these values I have, that the sum of their square will give me what? 1. So let's do that. Don't forget, I'm talking about direction cosine. Share this video always. So that will be L squared plus M squared plus N squared. And that will what's the L? 3 over 7 all squared plus minus 2 over 7 all squared plus 6 over 7 all squared. Alright, so that will be what? If you square this one, you get 49 over 9. Plus if you square this, you get 4 over 49. And if you square this, you have a 36 over 49. You see, if you sum everything here, LCM is 49. 36 plus 4, 40. 40 plus this, 49. And 49 divided by 49 will give us what? 1. Alright, so that is where you will solve the question under this. So I'll leave this second one as an assignment for us. Alright, so if you solve it, put your answer in the comment section. And if you have any question concerning this topic, do well to ask in the comment section. So that will be all for today. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and always share this video. Thank you very much, and do have a great day.